Question number 5. In figure, DE parallel to OQ and DF parallel to OR. Show that EF parallel to QR. In triangle POQ, DE parallel to OQ. Therefore, PQ sides ratio PE by EQ is equal to PO side ratio PD by DO. Equation number 1, reason by BPT. In triangle POR, DF parallel to OR. Therefore, remaining sides are in proportional. PF by FR is equal to PD by DO. Equation number 2, reason by BPT. From first and second, right hand side equal. Therefore, first number left hand side PE by EQ equal to second number left hand side PF by FR. In triangle PQR, PE by EQ is equal to PF by FR. Triangle PQR, two sides are in proportional. Therefore, remaining side EF and QR are parallel by converse of BPT.